The best block blast strategy. So in this tutorial I'm going to tell you about the best block blast strategy. So for that, first of all, you need to plan your moves in advance. So don't rush to clear blocks. Take time to analyze the board. Look for potential large matches or combos. Sometimes waiting to move a certain piece can create a bigger blast. Try to spot patterns like groups of blocks of the same color close to each other that you can clear all at once. Prioritize combos and chain reaction. Larger combos and chain reactions often score higher than single clears. So aim to set up moves that will cascade, where clearing one set of blocks leads to other blocks falling into place for additional clears. Use the environment and any special bombs to trigger as many chain reactions as possible. So the more blocks you clear at once, the higher your score will be. Try to combine small groups to make larger ones instead of clear them right away. Prioritize clearing larger clusters of blocks over smaller ones, especially if they're in the same area. And after that, what you can do is use power-ups wisely. That many games offer power-ups that can help clear large areas or give you special moves. If possible, try to trigger multiple power-ups at once or in a chain to maximize points. And clearing blocks at the bottom can cause new blocks to fall and potentially create unexpected combos or matches above. This strategy can also open up more moves and help prevent the board from filling up too quickly. And apart from that, if you have limited number of moves, make every move count. Don't waste move on small groups unless they contribute to a larger goal. Keep track of your moves and prioritize those that give the most points relative to the move cost. And take advantage of the multiplier to boost your score rapidly. And also, the more you play, the better you'll become at recognizing patterns and predicting the results. Avoid placing blocks that don't align with your strategy, as they can take up valuable space and reduce options. Also try to save the space from the middle in order for the bigger blocks to occupy the space. These were some strategies how you can score higher on Block Blast. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.